Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to tie an Alberto knot. Stay tuned and enjoy the video because this video is for you. Step 1. Create a loop with the line you're going to be using as your leader. Step number 2. Pass the braided line through the loop.
Took the fall, made a mess. Hear my heart beating fast.
Make sure to have enough line to work with. Step number 3. Pinch the loop and braid together in one hand, and with the other hand, start wrapping the braid around the loop about 7 times.
I confess, closed case, wipe the guilt off my face, but wanting you, I can't erase, cause you're too good to lose. I confess, closed case, wipe the guilt.
Step number 4. Wrap the braid 7 more times back up towards the loop. Make sure to overlap the braid that was already wrapped as neat as possible. Step number 5. Pass the braid back through the loop and begin pulling and cinching down the lines. Grab both lines and the tag ends and slowly cinch them down. Wet the line if you need to. Now pull the main line and the leader line, slowly but tightening and cinching the line down. You have now created the Alberto knot. Grab your clippers and clip both tag ends as close as possible to the knot, ensuring that it'll go through the guides as easy as possible. And there you have it guys. A super strong way to tie straight braid to a monofilament or fluorocarbon leader. It does take some time to make this knot, but it is super strong. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is one of my go-to knots when I tie a leader to straight braid. It's the Alberto knot. Super strong, like I said in the video. I don't think it's gonna break on you. If we can reach 30 likes on this video, I will make another one, so smash that thumbs up button. If you'd like to see more, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and as always, keep fishing forward.